Ninchire moyo kwene kinga igati aba MCA bali babiri bakora buya babiri bakunyora ebyegwa nigo rikolia rero omo MCA bugwadi ligoma omusike Emmanuel Nyambega Gisesa nyakoboko egwa ekegwa ase kelikego tebe kuna nigo ale igati ya aba MCA oli okorire emirimo emiya ase ense ya Kenya nabo nigo omusike Emmanuel Nyambega Gisesa babwete igati aba MCA elwemo chiminye na 50 achinsemo ao ime yense ya Kenya egento boigo abirga kogokera na kuruo moyo ukiase gati aba MCA bande gweso kemne nchire moyo gokoromukia eligokinia chi ward chiabo ase chi county chonsi emerongene na isanebere.
The number one will have an opportunity to seek out.
MCS power. MCS power. My name is Nyambega Gisesa. I'm an MC in a ward known as Goma in Nyambega County. Actually, the county has only received one award tonight. I wish to appreciate the important work that is done by MCAs all over the country. And I'm very happy with the organizers. I was happy to have seen the MCA from all corners of this country. I saw an MCA from Libori, which is the farthest east of this country. I saw MCAs from Western Kenya, from Kakamega. We are doing a very important work. Na niwaambie hivi, ile kazi tunafanya mashinani tusidharau. Tufanye kazi, tuheshimiwe kama viongozi wengine wote. Nikimalizia, for the organizers, thanks for such a good event, and we look forward to working for the betterment of our people, to improve the welfare of our citizens, to improve our welfare, and to improve the welfare of all Kenyans. Asante sana na Mungu awabariki.